Hello student, welcome today's online class. Today's online class is related to 9th standard science part 1. First one topic is laws of motion. So already I have seen you basic video. So today we will start this topic. So in this topic we want to learn basically 4 main point. So that point I am explaining. Motion, distance and displacement, acceleration and Newton's laws of motion related to the equation. So this thing we have to learn. So at the beginning, what is meant by motion of an object? Now already we have learned about the motion in previous standard. Now you know that any object is in a moving position that we call as a motion. Example, Earth is rotating around the sun, running boy, running trains, flying planes, flying birds. These all are in a motion. Now there are different types of motion that actually we don't want to learn, but here you want to keep in mind what is meant by motion. See, here some questions are given that you can answer. The flight of a bird means it is in motion. A stationary train, it is not in motion. Leaves flying through the air means they are in motion. A stone lying on the hill, so this stone, it is not in motion. So like that you can write down any five example which things are is motion, which thing are in motion and which are is not in motion. So you can write down. See, means what happen in every day we see so many objects that are in a motion. So let us see next point, that is suppose you are traveling in any bus and is the person sitting next you in a motion? Means in same bus you are traveling and your friend is also traveling. So you both what will think about each other? So actually you are both also in motion with that train or in that bus, but you will think that you are in a rest position because you two both also moving in a same thing, but you are in motion. So that one thing I want to tell you, that motion is a relative. Relative means it is now we are on earth, so we will think that we are rest, but actually we are moving with earth around the sun. So in one way that we can say we are also in motion, and another way we can say we are in rest. So motion is a relative thing, so it is depend upon the condition. Okay, actually next point we have to take, that is a distance and displacement. Distance and displacement is very easy concept. Keep in mind, whenever suppose I come on my bike or my scooty in the school. So whenever I come in on roads, so road is never straight, it always turn on point to point. But from starting from my home to the school, I cover certain distance, means I cover some road way. So that is we call as a distance. Distance means really how you cover that things. So roads are never straight, so it will take turns. See here, if you see this diagram, so A is point and B is point. So from A to B I will come either from this side or from this side. So both also shape or both also ways are not straight. It will take so many turns and all. So this is your distance. Okay, but what is meant by displacement? Displacement means it is a shortest distance between 2 points. Shortcut, we can say shortcut, but actually shortcut you cannot you can walk, but sometime it will in anything come in middle, so it will not shortcut. Okay, so keep in mind, distance and displacement both also things are different. Now let us see their definition. Now see here, one diagram is given here. That diagram you can observe and you can understand. Now this is Sheetal home. You can open textbook also. Sheetal and Prashant house. This is Sangeeta house and their school. Now if Sheetal and Prashant want to go in school, so they can go in this way. This is shortcut. That is a 1300 meter, means 1 kilometer 300 meter. So this is only displacement actually. It can be displacement also. So this is displacement, shortcut. No, their distance between school and their home, shortcut, straight line. But if Sheetal and Prashant want to go with Sangeeta, so they will come first like that and like that they will go. So this is not shortcut way. This is longer way. So this we call as a distance. Okay. And again from this 500, again from here 1200. So it will come 1700 meter. So it is longest way. So it is actually really they will walk like that also and like that also. But what is shortcut? That call we displacement. Shortcut means displacement. And longer we most of the consider as a distance. Now another example you can judge in your own example also. You can see means from home to your school, how you are coming. You will never come straight line. Means displacement is actually sometimes not possible, but distance is possible. Okay, now see next page. You can see here definitions are given here. You want to write down this definition of distance and displacement. What is meant by distance is given here. See, distance is the length of the actual path traveled by an object in a motion. This is distance. So write down this definition. And what is meant by displacement? See, an object in a motion while going from one point to another point. But displacement means what? Displacement is the minimum distance between starting and finishing point. Minimum is we call shortcut. Now see here one example is given here, car. Now this road you can observe properly. This car will from P to Q. From P to Q the distance is given 360 meter. So it is distance and it is displacement also. P to Q means like that you go one turn. So it is distance and displacement also, means 360 meter. But if you come again on same position, means from P to Q you walk and again Q to P you come. So what happen? Here you can measure 360 again 360. You count together, then you will get double its. Correct na? So that double it will be distance, not displacement. If you start from same point again come on same point, then there will be zero displacement because you are on same point P. So if you take 1000 round but you come on same position, so that what we call as a zero displacement. You can see here one more example in circle. Suppose this is A point. From here you start, again you come here. Suppose this from A you take one circle, that is suppose 20 meter. So you 20 meter distance covered, but you come on same point, then you zero distance cover, displacement cover. Means if starting and ending point is the same, so there will be the zero displacement. Okay, so see next you can see that there another point, that is a speed and velocity. Actually speed and velocity, speed here you can see speed is equal to these two formula you want to write down, speed and velocity. See, two formulas are given, so you want to write down. Speed means see total distance traveled upon time, means whenever you cover distance, so for that purpose speed we use word, and whenever you consider displacement, then velocity. Actually both also things are same, speed and velocity, but speed consider when you consider distance and velocity consider when you consider displacement. So both also formula you want to write in notebook and you want to learn. Now here see, always remember the unit of speed and velocity are the same. What is speed? The speed is meter per second or centimeter per second in CGS. Speed is related to distance and velocity related to the displacement. If motion is along straight line, the value of speed and velocity are same. So I said velocity and means speed will be same, but there should be the same distance and displacement. Otherwise it can be different. Velocity the displacement that occur in unit time. So this thing you want to keep in mind. We will see effect of speed and direction on velocity. Means how it will change. Velocity how will change if direction and speed is change. Now there are three certain conditions. See what will be the effect on the velocity of the motorcycle. Now velocity will change with the change by displacement. So keep in mind, if displacement is changing, then velocity will change. But displacement and distance is same and speed is also same, then velocity will never change. So what happen? If motorcycle speed is increase or decrease, but its direction remain unchanged. So if direction is same and if you increase or decrease speed, then actually there will be change in velocity with change in speed. Second one, in the case turning on the road, will the velocity and speed be the same? No. Whenever we turn, that time you know that we want to control our speed, so that time speed also will change and velocity will also change. And then last one, that is if turning road, Sachin changes the direction as well as speed. If you change direction and speed, then velocity will also change. So keep in mind, change in change in speed and direction, velocity also will change. So always remember, is very important here. You know that first scientist, that is Galileo, who used the measurement, means you need to measure the distance, that time, that is a distance per time, and he only measure the speed of sound in normal air, that is a 343.2 meter per second. So this is speed. You want to underline this can be come in fill in the blanks. What is the speed of sound in dry air? Dry air means our normal air. And speed of light, see, speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. You can keep in mind 3 lakh kilometer per second. And the earth, revolution of earth around the sun, see, 29,770 meter per second. But most of the speed of sound and speed of light you want to keep in mind, that is very important. Next is uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Now linear motion you already know, any object is moving in linear or straight direction is called linear motion. But what is meant by uniform and non-uniform? Uniform means the speed of certain object will never change, means same speed. Suppose you are walking or you are going on any vehicle but with straight line but with same speed, so that we call as a uniform linear motion. But the speed will change time to time, then that is a non-uniform linear motion. So here three examples are given: Amar, Akbar and Anthony. See, 5 o'clock they will start and 8 o'clock they will end. So at 5 o'clock 3 also start, means 0 kilometer, and 5:30 means after half hour Amar covered 20 kilometer, Akbar also 18 and Anthony 14. Means here speed of Amar is more. But what happened after half hour? See, Amar cover 40, 36 and 28. If you observe properly, here you will get the 20 number table, means the difference between two distance is the same, means here also 20, again 20, 20, 40, again 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80. Means here is means here you can see the speed is same, there is no change in speed. So this is uniform linear motion. Here see, if you observe, this is also 18 table, correct na? but here afterward, after this motion, here see little bit speed decrease. So this is not linear, this is non-uniform, but here this is table of 14, 28, 42. So this is table of 14, means where is these two also tables, this is not table of 18. So here is uniform linear motion, here also, and here is non-uniform linear motion. So you can draw a graph of 3 also, then you will understand. You can draw joint bar graph of 3 also, and you can draw graph, then you will understand. Okay. So okay, today we have learned about 2 points, that is motion and distance and displacement. So in today you watch this video again and again. Next time we will take another point. Okay.